Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss one more important lesson, that is law and justice. Today our topic is law and justice. In this lesson I am going to explain some important points. One is case, what is case, and who is criminals, who are criminals, and arrest, court, police, justice. So all these points. At the same time, I am going to explain about crime. What is crime? What is affiliation? And what are the arguments? Courts, types of courts. So these are the main points we are going to learn in this lesson. First of all, first point I would like to tell you, accused person. Who is accused? A person who is charged with a crime is called as a accused. So accused person is a person who charged with a crime is called accused. So on that person we have to fill one complaint, that is first complaint FIR. So that FIR will fill in the police station. FIR is a complaint recorded in a police station. When the crime is committed, at the time FIR should contain compulsory. FIR should file in the police station with the date, time, place, offense. So what happened and which type of case it is, the name of accused person and the witness persons, their signatures, with clear address we have to write. This is FIR. That FIR will fill in the police station. In the police station there will be one SHO, station head officer. He will fill that FIR. Next, after that the police people will start the investigation. Suppose in that we should write the mention, that is which type of crime, because it is two types of crimes, civil or criminal. Civil offense and criminal offense. Based on that, there are two types of offenses. One is civil offenses, criminal offenses. So when we fill that FIR, the police people, they start the investigation. They visit the place, the incidents. Personally, they visit that, collect the information from the witness, and they gather some evidences, and they collect some information from the different people. So that all the information they submit in the court, in front of the court judge. So the judge hear all the witness, what they record, the police people, the judge will listen. So this is called the FIR. FIR means first information report. This is called FIR trial or fair trial. After that, next process, arrest. When detaining the accused in the police lockup is called the arrest. Detaining the accused in the police lockup is called arrest. So because when the police people arrest, because if he will be outside, there is a scope to do any harm to the society, or he will do any harm to the witness or the complaint. At the time, the police people arrest that accused person. Next one, summons. What is summons? This is one notice given to the witness to attend before court of law. Before the time, in time you have that witness people, they have to attend to the court by the magistrate if when they call. That is called summons. So summons are nothing but it is the notice given to the witness to attend before court of law by the magistrates when he called. That is called summons. So witness means the person who physically saw that incident is called the witness. Witness is the person who physically saw all these incidents, we can call witness. So the witness name includes in the FIR. Yes. So then after fair trial will start. First hearing. The judge will hear the first trial, that is a fair trial. Both sides. Here both sides, accused person and others, victims, both sides, they hear their arguments. That is fair trial. After the hearing, next judgment. This judgment decision taken by the magistrate after hearing, this is called judgment. After hearing both sides, accused person, victim person, both sides, after hearing their arguments, finally he will take one decision, that is called judgment. Next, another main point, appellation. What is appellation? If the accused person, if he thought that if he is not satisfied with the decision given by the lower court judge, then he can challenge, he can approach the higher level court. This type of opportunity we can call as appellation or appeal. Okay? This is appellation process. This is given, this right the accused person has to approach higher court. Here client is nothing but the person who feels that he has suffered and appealed for the justice in the court is a client. Once again, the person who feels that he has suffered and appealed for justice in the court is a client. Next one, bail. Bail is very important. Who will give the bail? What is bail? Bail is, it is for criminal cases. In criminal cases, an accused is kept in jail. In criminal cases, accused is kept in the jail. The accused may appeal to court to release. This permission given by the court with a certain sureties to accused, that is called bail. During the investigation, if he asks the bail, so from certain conditions, court will give the bail. Okay, and judgment, judge who take the decision is called magistrate. That courts also in our country, different level courts, level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1, that is the Supreme Court. Level 2 courts, that are High Court. Level 3, it is like district courts and divisional courts. District courts and divisional courts. Courts again two types. One is and already just now I said that criminal cases one type of court, civil cases one type of court. Okay, so this is the way present in our country for getting justice, law and justice.